Hey, what's up guys? Felix here. Today we have a 2009 Nissan Quest. The problems we have is the interior lights are not working. As you can see, I'm turning them on right here and everything is dark, no lights, nothing works. But don't worry, it's a really simple fix. You need to replace this fuse, number 15. It's like one of the smallest fuses that you can use on a car. And it's really easy to replace. Right here, you have to open this right here. And just pull, and it comes out. And there's a little fuse puller right here that you can use, this one. And the fuse that we're going to have to replace is this one, number 15. Right here it says BCM battery saver. That's the fuse we're going to replace. And, oops, let me show you. I'm gonna turn this on. There's no lights. Let's pull this fuse out. And you can see it's burned. So we're going to put this new one. I always replace it with the same capacity, so 15. And as you can see, lights are turning on, fuse is off, fuse is on, off, on. So yeah, just leave it on there, and there we go. Easy as that. Our problem is fixed. Let me turn it off. On, off, on. So I thought all my lights burned at the same time, but no, it turns out it was just a fuse. So I really hope this video helped you in any way. Please consider subscribing, give a big thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to put the little fuse puller back here, and this goes back real simple, just like that. And you can throw this fuse away. Woohoo! Alright guys, thanks for watching.